From the towering peaks of the Himalayas to the depths of the Mariana Trench, our planet is a tapestry woven with wonders both beautiful and bewildering. For centuries, we have sought to understand the forces that shape our world, to unravel the mysteries that lie hidden in the shadows. But some places continue to elude our grasp, defying explanation and challenging our understanding of the natural order. These are places where the laws of physics seem to bend, where logic takes a holiday, and where the very fabric of reality appears to fray at the edges. Join us now, as we journey to 10 of the most perplexing locations on Earth, places that continue to baffle even the brightest scientific minds. Deep in the heart of Minnesota's Judge C.R. Magny State Park, the Brule River tumbles over a rocky precipice, cascading down a series of waterfalls. But it is the final plunge that has captivated the imaginations of visitors and confounded scientists for generations. This is the Devil's Kettle, a geological enigma where the river splits in two, sending half its water crashing into a deep, chasm-like hole. And then, it seemingly vanishes without a trace. For years, researchers have attempted to track the path of the disappearing water. They've poured dye into the kettle, released countless ping-pong balls, even deployed sophisticated GPS trackers. Yet none have ever resurfaced, leaving the question of their final destination a tantalizing mystery. Some speculate that a network of underground caves spirits the water away, while others propose the existence of a hidden reservoir deep beneath the Earth's surface. But for now, the Devil's Kettle guards its secrets closely, a testament to the enduring power of nature's mysteries. Death Valley, a land of extremes where scorching temperatures bake the earth and silence reigns supreme. Yet even amidst this desolate beauty, a mystery unfolds, a phenomenon that has puzzled scientists and captivated imaginations for decades. Across the flat, parched surface of Racetrack Playa, a dry lakebed in the heart of Death Valley, massive stones weighing hundreds of pounds appear to move on their own, leaving long, eerie trails etched into the cracked earth. These are the sailing stones, and their seemingly impossible journeys have spawned countless theories ranging from the plausible to the downright outlandish. Some have attributed the stones' movement to magnetic forces or gravitational anomalies, while others have invoked the intervention of extraterrestrial beings or even mischievous spirits. But despite decades of investigation, no one has ever witnessed the stones in motion, leaving their secret dance across the desert floor shrouded in intrigue. Deep within the forests of New York State, nestled amongst the rugged beauty of Shale Creek Preserve, lies a site that seems to defy the laws of nature. Here, water cascades over layers of ancient shale, a scene of tranquility repeated countless times across our planet. But look closer, and you'll witness a spectacle that leaves even the most seasoned scientists baffled. Behind the veil of falling water, a flame flickers, seemingly impervious to the relentless torrent. This is the Eternal Flame Falls, a place where fire and water, two opposing forces, exist in an unlikely harmony. It's a mesmerizing display, but the question remains, how can a flame burn bright within the heart of a waterfall? The answer, it seems, lies buried deep beneath the Earth's surface. Geologists believe that natural gas, seeping up from ancient subterranean reservoirs, fuels the eternal flame, yet the mystery deepens. Measurements of the gas emanating from the rock face reveal a curious anomaly. The concentration of methane and other flammable gases is simply too low to sustain a flame of this magnitude. It's a perplexing puzzle, one that continues to spark debate and intrigue amongst those who study the Earth's hidden wonders. In the heart of the Great Rift Valley, beneath the scorching African sun, lies a lake unlike any other. Lake Natron, a vast expanse of shimmering water, stretches out across the Tanzanian landscape. Its surface, often a canvas of vibrant hues, reflects the surrounding volcanic peaks, creating a scene of breathtaking beauty. But beneath this alluring facade lies a deadly secret. Lake Natron is a place of extremes, a hostile environment where few life forms can survive. Its waters, with a pH level exceeding that of ammonia, are so caustic they can burn skin on contact. The lake's name, derived from the naturally occurring compound natron, hints at its deadly nature. Natron, a mixture of sodium carbonate and baking soda, was used by ancient Egyptians for mummification, preserving bodies for the afterlife. And indeed, Lake Natron possesses an eerie ability to preserve. Animals drawn to the shimmering surface often meet a tragic end within its deadly embrace. The high alkaline content of the water, combined with its scorching temperatures, which can reach up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, creates conditions that are nothing short of lethal. Creatures unfortunate enough to perish in the lake become encased in a crust of mineral deposits, their forms eerily preserved in a macabre tableau. High above the remote valley of Hessdalen, Norway, a celestial ballet unfolds on a nightly basis. Strange, luminous orbs, often described as glowing spheres or elongated streaks of light, dance across the sky, captivating and perplexing all who witness their ethereal display. These are the Hessdalen lights, a phenomenon that has baffled scientists and sparked countless theories for over 4 decades. The lights, ranging in color from white and yellow to red and green, appear to defy explanation. They move erratically, hovering silently in the night sky, sometimes remaining visible for hours on end. Some witnesses describe the lights as pulsating, their brightness waxing and waning in an almost rhythmic pattern. Others report seeing the lights dart across the sky at incredible speeds, leaving trails of shimmering light in their wake. Despite their elusive nature, the Hessdalen lights have been documented by numerous credible sources including scientists, pilots, and local residents. Photographs and video footage of the phenomenon, while often grainy and fleeting, provide tantalizing glimpses into the nature of these enigmatic lights. But what are they? Are they a natural phenomenon, a product of our still evolving understanding of physics and atmospheric science? Or do they hint at something more extraordinary? Journey with us now to the heart of Turkmenistan, a landlocked nation in Central Asia. Here, amidst the vast Karakum Desert, lies a spectacle that seems to defy the laws of nature, a colossal crater, ablaze with an inferno that has raged for over half a century. This is the Darvaza gas crater, more ominously known as the Gate to Hell. The crater's origins are as intriguing as its appearance. In 1971, Soviet geologists were drilling for natural gas, unaware of the cavernous void that lay beneath the surface. Their equipment pierced the roof of this subterranean chamber, causing the ground to collapse and form the crater we see today. Fearing the release of poisonous methane gas, the geologists decided to ignite the crater, expecting the fire to consume the gas within a few weeks. However, their calculations proved drastically wrong. The inferno, fueled by a seemingly inexhaustible supply of natural gas, has continued to burn unabated for over 5 decades. The sheer scale of the crater is awe-inspiring, a gaping maw in the earth, 230 feet wide and 65 feet deep, spewing forth flames and a constant plume of sulfurous smoke. The heat emanating from the crater is intense, making it impossible to approach the edge for extended periods. Deep in the heart of the Amazon rainforest, shrouded in mist and mystery, flows a river unlike any other. Here, amidst the verdant tapestry of the Peruvian jungle, the Shanay Timpishka, known locally as the Boiling River, carves its steaming path through the rainforest. Legends of a river so hot it could boil its victims alive have persisted for generations among the indigenous tribes of the Amazon. Dismissed as folklore by outsiders, these tales proved to be more than myth when geologist Andres Russo, guided by his grandfather's stories, set out to find the river of his childhood. What Russo discovered was a tributary of the Amazon, stretching over 4 miles, with water temperatures averaging a scalding 187 degrees Fahrenheit. In some sections, the water reaches a near-boiling 212 degrees, hot enough to brew tea or even cook small animals unfortunate enough to fall in. The existence of such a large body of near-boiling water so far from any known volcanic activity is a scientific enigma. Geothermal features like hot springs and geysers are usually associated with volcanoes, which provide the heat source. But the nearest volcano to the boiling river is over 400 miles away. Few mysteries have captivated the human imagination quite like the Bermuda Triangle. This expanse of the North Atlantic Ocean, roughly defined by a triangle connecting Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, has long been shrouded in tales of unexplained disappearances and maritime misfortune. For centuries, sailors have whispered of ships vanishing without a trace, swallowed whole by an unseen force. The legend of the Bermuda Triangle took hold in the public consciousness in the 20th century, fueled by reports of missing aircraft and vessels, often accompanied by bizarre circumstances. The disappearance of Flight 19 in 1945, a squadron of 5 U.S. Navy bombers that vanished during a routine training mission, remains one of the most perplexing incidents attributed to the Bermuda Triangle. Despite extensive searches, no trace of the planes or their crew was ever found. Over the years, numerous theories have been proposed to explain the disappearances within the Bermuda Triangle, ranging from the plausible to the outlandish. Some have suggested that unusual magnetic anomalies in the region might disrupt navigational equipment, leading to accidents. Section 2. Separating fact from fiction. The Siberian tundra, a vast, frozen expanse seemingly untouched by time, yet beneath the surface a mystery is unfolding. Enormous craters, some stretching hundreds of meters wide, are appearing with alarming suddenness. These gaping wounds in the Earth's crust are a relatively new phenomenon, baffling scientists and local communities alike. The sheer scale of these sinkholes is awe-inspiring. Imagine the ground beneath your feet simply collapsing, swallowing everything in its path. Trees, soil, even sections of land vanish into the depths, leaving behind a scar on the landscape that can be seen from space. The speed at which they form is equally astonishing, appearing overnight like phantoms in the night. These dramatic events are not merely geological curiosities. They pose a significant threat to the people and wildlife who call this harsh environment home. Reindeer herders have reported narrow escapes as the ground crumbled beneath their feet. The potential for damage to infrastructure, including pipelines and settlements, is a growing concern. Across the globe, there are places where the laws of physics seem to bend, where the impossible appears possible. One such place is Magnetic Hill, a seemingly ordinary stretch of road with an extraordinary secret. Here, gravity takes a holiday, and cars appear to roll uphill, defying all logic and reason. Imagine driving along a quiet country road, coming to a stop at the foot of a gentle incline. You release the brake, expecting the car to roll backwards, but instead, it slowly begins to move forward, uphill. Is it an elaborate hoax? A trick of the eye, or something more inexplicable at play? For decades, Magnetic Hill has captivated curious travelers and baffled scientists alike. Theories abound, ranging from optical illusions to magnetic anomalies, each seeking to explain this curious phenomenon. Some believe it's the surrounding landscape that tricks our perception, creating an illusion of uphill movement. From the fiery depths of Turkmenistan to the frozen wastelands of Siberia, we've journeyed across the globe, exploring some of the most baffling and unexplained phenomena our planet has to offer. These enigmatic places remind us that for all our scientific advancements, there are still mysteries that elude our grasp. So what do you think? Which of these places shocked you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more mysteries.